Welcome to Calgary, a city rich in history and culture. Today, we're uncovering some of its hidden museum gems that you won't want to miss. Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're planning a trip to Calgary, Alberta, I've got some insider scoop for you. Today, I'm sharing the best museums in this vibrant Canadian city. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the Glenbow Museum. This place is a treasure trove of history and art. I spent hours just wandering through its galleries, which showcase everything from indigenous artifacts to contemporary art. There's even a fascinating exhibit on the history of Western Canada. Pro tip, check their website for any special exhibitions. You won't want to miss them. Next, head over to Heritage Park Historical Village. This isn't your typical museum, it's a whole experience. You'll step back in time as you stroll through the recreated village, complete with costumed interpreters and historic buildings. I personally loved the old-fashioned steam train ride. It's a great spot for families, so bring the kids along. Now, if you're into science and tech, you gotta visit TELUS Spark. This science center is perfect for curious minds of all ages. The interactive exhibits are super fun and educational. I had a blast at the Digital Immersion Gallery. Plus, their outdoor park is an awesome spot to relax and enjoy some fresh air. Art lovers, rejoice. The Contemporary Calgary Gallery is a must-see. Located in a stunning old planetarium building, this place features cutting-edge contemporary art from local and international artists. The exhibitions are always changing, so there's something new to see every time you visit. Don't forget about Studio Bell, home of the National Music Centre. This place is a paradise for music lovers. You can explore the history of Canadian music, check out iconic instruments, and even try your hand at making some music yourself. It's an interactive, immersive experience that you definitely shouldn't miss. Last but not least, the Hangar Flight Museum. Aviation enthusiasts, this one's for you. You'll get up close and personal with historic aircraft and learn about Canada's aviation history. The volunteers here are super knowledgeable and happy to share their stories. It's a hidden gem that's worth the visit. So there you have it, folks. The best museums in Calgary. Whether you're into history, art, science, or music, this city has something for everyone. Be sure to add these spots to your itinerary. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting facts and travel tips. Catch you next time.